Hi, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here. Week 13. We are starting Unit 3, which is called Government in a Global World. Week 13, we're going to be talking about foreign policy and how our form of government, our U.S. government, interacts with other countries and how our government is set up to do that. And also how our interactions with other countries and their governments has changed over time. Now, before we get started this week, I do want you to notice that if you look at the suggested schedule here, we actually we go from Friday the 16th and we will pop all the way to Monday, November 26th, because right in here is Thanksgiving week as well. So you do have Thanksgiving week. Please don't wait. I strongly suggest to go ahead and get this week's work done by Friday the 16th, and that way you can have Thanksgiving to yourself and just double check on Monday the 26th that you're all done. However, there are some of you out there that have not, that you have a few missing assignments, and this is an excellent time to get caught up on all of those. So please get Unit 3 started. There's a diagnostic to start out. Hopefully get that done on Tuesday the 13th to get going. Get everything done by the 16th, and then over Thanksgiving week, if you have past due missing assignments, get caught up on those. If you do not, great. Have a great Thanksgiving week. Okay. With that, let us take a look here. So just reminders, please go through your grade book, whether you think you have anything missing or not. Go through your grade book. Look at all the feedback that I've given you, and just make sure we're all caught up in everything. We're going into Unit 3, Government in a Global World, and we're in Week 13. And what you will be doing, first of all, start with the diagnostic. Get that turned in. Again, it's a kind of a writing sample on what you know about government in a global world. And then come in here. And we really only have one assignment. Other than the diagnostic, we have one more assignment, the evolution of U.S. foreign policy. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to choose one country out of a list. I think it's back here, the evolution of U.S. foreign policy. And choose one of these countries, and then you're going to create a timeline for over the past 100 years. So between 1917 and 2018. Sorry, I need to update that date to 2018. So basically over the last 120 years, your timeline will have 10 entries. You'll also do images and a title, 3 to 5 sentence summary of the event for each, and then at the end of the timeline, write a 8 to 15 sentence reflection. That's either one longer paragraph or two paragraphs. So a bit of a reflection summarizing the overall relationship between your nation, your chosen nation, and the United States, and reflect on the major changes that have occurred in the relationship. Use at least 3 sources, and you need to evaluate your sources. So don't use Wikipedia. You can use Wikipedia to start in order to find your other 3 sources, but don't just use Wikipedia, please. Make sure that you evaluate your sources for accuracy, reliability, and completeness. Great way of doing that is to look at maybe 5 different sources and kind of skim through them. And if there are 3 that seem to agree, and there are 2 kind of outliers that don't agree as much, use the 3 that seem to be accurate, reliable, and complete based on comparing to each other. Yeah, and so that will be your big assignment for the week. Other than that, have a great Thanksgiving. Please get caught up. We're almost at the end of the semester, which is the end of the class, and we really need to get everyone all caught up and going. So if you have any questions, let me know. Check those grade books, look for my feedback, and with that, see you later. Thanks. Bye.